Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video I will guide you how you can empty or clear the RAM cache memory present in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 while playing game or after playing the games or using various heavy programming or any editing softwares. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to settings menu and here click on this option storage. From here you will find the option of storage sense. This will automatically sense the unwanted files present in your system. So toggle the option to on to make sure your storage sense is on and it will automatically clear the files present in your system. For example, see, as of now it is showing me around 1 GB of files is recommended to clear. These files will be automatically cleared after a certain period of time. So make sure you must turn on the option storage sense. Now secondly is right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here WS reset and then hit the enter key. This black screen window will open, then it will automatically load Windows Store to you. Once it is loaded, you can easily close it. This way the cache present in your Microsoft Store will be clear out. Now let's proceed with the third step. Right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here regedit and then hit the enter key. Now here in this address bar, you need to paste a path which I will share you in the description of this video. Once pasted, hit the enter key. Here you will find a file with the name clear page file at shutdown. Double click to open it. One more thing friends, to increase your knowledge, whenever you turn off or restart your system, the cache present in your RAM will be automatically cleared out by the system, but the caches present in any kind of page file are not cleared. You need to clear them manually, or else simply from here value data change the value to 1 and hit the OK button. So as soon as you shut down your PC, the cache RAM present in any kind of page file will be automatically cleared after using this command. Now close the registry editor. Now in fourth method, again right click start menu and open run command. This time type here clean mgr and then hit the enter key. You need to select each drive one by one present in your system. Select the drive and hit the OK button. Then you need to check mark all the options available right in this window and then click on the option OK. You can see right now 2 GB of files are available that need to be cleared. Once you hit the OK button, all the files present in this area will be automatically cleared for you. And now let's proceed with the last step. Head over to your browser and here is the official Microsoft website. From here you need to download a program with the name RAM map. Click on this download option. Save the program onto your desktop. Once it is saved, open the zip folder and here you need to run RAM map. Double click to run it and hit the run option. Accept any terms and conditions available over here and this program will show you right over here in this page. Now here is the beauty of this program. I'll go ahead and show you how this program works. In my task manager, under the performance tab, you can see cache memory is around 1.6 GB. Nextly, in my resource monitor also, you can see the standby memory again is around 1.5 GB. Now let's see the beauty of this program. Simply click on this empty option and select the option empty standby list. Now you can see the cache memory is reduced to only 100 MB and this standby memory is again reduced to around 100 memory. This is the best program that help you reduce the standby memory or cache memory present in your system. You can run this program once you restart your PC and then all the cache memory present in your system will be completely cleared out. Moreover, if you want to automatically clear out this particular RAM, I have another video which I will share you in the description of this video. Watch that video also and that particular video will help you clear this RAM cache memory in your Windows 11 automatically, so you do not need to manually use any commands on any editing in the registries of your system. So make sure you watch that video also. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel.